The Pixel 8 Pro is an impressive flagship, improving on nearly every fault found in its predecessor. Its design feels refreshed without standing out, tensors staying cooler than ever before, and the camera shines as bright as ever. Combined with 7 years of promised OS support, and you might even be able to overlook that new, more expensive price tag. The Pixel 8 Pro's look and feel is one of two stories. On the one hand, it's a relatively boring phone. This is Google's third generation of relying on this same style. And while it's great to see a unified look across its entire portfolio, it's hard not to see it as just another Pixel. The large camera bar, the metallic frame, the curved corners, it's all just refreshed, not new. Unlike the Google Pixel 8, even the 6.7-inch display size has remained the same. On the other hand, though, this is exactly what I, and plenty of others, asked for last year. Yes, the base design is unchanged, but the newly matte glass is a world beyond the glossy finish used since the Pixel 6. Let's be real, if you're considering a Pixel phone, you're doing so either because of its software or its cameras. Google's hardware has steadily improved over the last 7 years, but it's the in-house enhancements to Android, alongside those lenses on the back, that have always made the Pixel shine. With that said, let's dive deep into what Google is tackling with this generation because it's a bigger swing than the company has ever taken. Let's start with the good. I really appreciate that Google is slowly leaning back into customization. Seemingly on the coattails of Apple's fancy lock screen tools in iOS 16, Android 14 on Pixels now includes a similar tool. I don't love every single font choice here, but there are a couple I really like, and I'm hoping more get added down the road. I still wish the Pixel launcher was a little more flexible. You still can't swap icons or turn off at a glance, for example. But it's clear Google is making small improvements here. Before diving deep into what makes Google's latest phone tick, here's all you need to know about photos this time around. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera system is as good as I've ever seen from Google, with nearly every shot looking great on the first try. It's not without some quirks, but all three sensors, and the main lens in particular, are producing better images than ever before. A picture's worth. On the whole, I'm very happy with this year's camera lineup on the back of the Pixel 8 Pro. At the risk of sounding reductive, most of the shots I got, captured on the gloomiest of autumn days, as is the Western New York tradition, look like what we've all come to expect from Google. Although the company is promoting an all-new camera lineup for its Pro Series smartphone, I'd be lying if I said I saw a huge improvement in year-over-year performance. Paired with that lens, which you'll also find on the smaller Pixel 8, are two sensors exclusive to the Pro, this year's 48MP f1. 95 ultra-wide lives up to its name with a 1255-degree field of view that is, as you'd expect, pretty damn wide. I don't typically turn to the ultra-wide lenses on phones particularly often, but I have to say, it's great to have one this capable. How has my first week with the Pixel 8 Pro's battery been? Pretty damn good, actually. It still falls short of some of its Snapdragon-based competition, but I'm getting through a full day of heavy use before needing to plug the phone in prior to bedtime. And as I start to use it a little more regularly, these short embargo periods are always hard on batteries, I wouldn't be